Aloe vera gel and honey benefits for male potency and health. You might have aloe vera in your house as a regular potted plant, but have you ever wondered what benefit it has? Aloe vera gel is known as a substance widely used in beauty products. Antiviral, antibacterial, super effective. Indeed, it can treat anything from pimples to diabetes. More than that, it has some incredible benefits for men. It can enhance your love life and be just as effective as Viagra. It will improve the other aspects of male health as well, from healing wounds to relieving muscle pain. Here is a list of amazing benefits aloe vera gel has for male potency and overall health. Number 5. Enhancing male potency. Aloe vera and honey work together as an effective team to treat erectile dysfunction. It usually has some physical cause. It could be a side effect of taking some medication, a disease, some injury which affects the nerves, or prevents blood flow to the male organ. It happens to about 5% of men after 40, and 25% experience it after 65. It does not always necessarily come with age. Stress, anxiety, and depression, along with low self-esteem and guilt, can also be the reasons for it. The natural aloe vera and honey remedy can help male enhancement as a juice or food supplement. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients and microelements good for overall health and male reproductive system. Honey is also great at increasing potency. Jasmine and orchid honey is especially effective. Just think of it, the word honeymoon comes from honey for a reason. From ancient times, honey used to be the main component of a magical love drink. Honey is rich in boron, a mineral which boosts testosterone levels and metabolizes estrogens. It was proven by clinical studies that the aloe vera gel and honey mix improves blood circulation and makes your love life more enjoyable. Here is what you need to prepare the remedy. 1 cup aloe vera gel, 1 cup honey. Just 2 ingredients for a super effective drink. Sounds too good to be true, but it is. Where can you get aloe vera gel? You can buy it at a regular grocery store, an organic store, or a market. Or you can choose to make it yourself. Keeping an aloe vera plant at home is easy and useful. It requires as little care as a cactus and filters the air inside. It will do well in sandy soil if you give it enough water from time to time. The leaves of this plant are long and a bit curved. The thick, fleshy part of the leaf makes the gel we need. You will have to cut the leaf with a sharp knife into 8-inch long sections. Cut off the jagged edge and make 2 or 3 long strips out of each 8-inch section. Turn the blade to the side and slide, the knife staying close to the skin along the bottom edge of it. It will help you get the maximum amount of gel. You have to flip the strips to cut them on both sides. Place the flesh in a blender bowl. Skin and gather the flesh of all sections. Use the blender to make a smooth mix. There will be froth, but it will eventually disappear. Your gel will be sage in a container and can survive up to a week in the refrigerator. Freeze it or add some natural preservatives if you want to keep and use it for a longer time. This easy instruction will work for any aloe vera based remedies. For our love drink, you will need to add honey to the blender bowl as well. After 2 or 3 minutes on low, the mix should become smooth and liquid enough. You can then pour it into a jar. It is best to keep somewhere cool and dry. Take a spoon of the mixture 2 hours before mealtime twice or thrice a day. 1 remedy course is 10 days. You can then stop for 10 days and start it over again. Remember, it is important not to overdo with the drink. There can be too much of a good thing in this case. Never take more than 4 tablespoons a day. If you follow the instruction, it should get you more of that powerful mix than you need for 1 day. Keep the remnants in the refrigerator in a glass container. Number 4. Boosting immunity. A similar mix will help not only your reproductive system, but can enhance your entire immune system. An affordable and effective natural immunity booster? That's exactly what it is. Aloe vera juice supports the body's protective functions and contains vitamin C, which helps to strengthen the immune system. Thanks to its detoxifying properties, aloe vera juice is a great cleanser for your digestive and circulatory systems. Better circulation of blood rich in oxygen helps important nutrients spread within your cells. Your body gets a natural shield to protect you from infections and harmful bacteria. What can you do to take full advantage of these properties? We recommend you to prepare a remedy using the following ingredients: 1 aloe leaf, 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of honey. Take a rinsed aloe leaf with its spikes removed. Grind it and dissolve the resulting pulp in a glass of water. Also, you can add a little honey to make it sweeter. Number 3. Improving intestinal microflora. Male Potency Immune System Booster. Can it get any better? Yes, it can. Aloe vera juice is effective in dealing with irritable bowel syndrome, and it also soothes the mucous membranes of the stomach and intestines. A recent study, the results of which were published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, established this fact. Drinking just 1 ounce of aloe juice twice a day reduces the harmful symptoms. The plant also has antibiotic qualities, and it hampers the multiplication of the Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria that causes ulcers. Aloe vera makes your digestion better. It helps to take the harmful elements out of your body in a natural way. Healthy digestion is good for your overall health, and it helps you think positively. Why else is it good for you? It helps weight loss, and we know it is not only ladies who care about extra weight. Aloe vera juice tastes bitter, so you are unlikely to enjoy it just as it is. You can try to make it better and experiment a bit. Mix it with any fruit or vegetable juice you like. A sweet juice will give you a stronger taste, of course. Lemon can also help, as well as our good old honey. If you want to try aloe vera juice to treat the ulcer, you can try a treatment course for 3 to 4 weeks. Number 2. Relieving joint and muscle pain. Muscle pain can be caused by various reasons if you are a strong man. You might have overworked at the gym or helping your partner relocate furniture around the house. Hit like if it happened to you at least once. We all know the pain. The good news is, aloe vera gel can help you in this case too. This time, you should not take it as a drink, but apply it topically. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it will relieve joint and muscle pains. It has more than 10 natural substances in it good just for that. They penetrate into your skin and do their magic. It will work even more effectively if you add red meat, milk, sugar, fried foods, and white flour to your diet as you apply the gel daily for at least 2 weeks in a row. Number 1. Healing wounds. We all know superheroes get wounds from time to time. They can be battle wounds, but hopefully that's not your case. Even everyday wounds you get fixing something in the house or trying to skateboard need an effective treatment. Aloe vera can help you with that. It has been used as a natural healer for thousands of years. It works like magic when it comes to wound dressing. Burns, even of the most severe 3rd degree, gunshots, and tissue injuries. It can treat them all. How does it do the trick? It helps better flow of blood to the wound and seals it, which makes the healing process much faster. Bonus: aloe vera shaving gel. You can use aloe vera gel to make a 100% natural moisturizing shaving gel. You are going to need 4 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon almond oil, ½ teaspoon vegetable glycerin, 1 drop cedarwood essential oil, ½ teaspoon vitamin E oil, and 2-ounce bottle with dispenser. Put all ingredients in a small liquid measuring cup. Combine them by stirring. Then pour the mixture into the bottle with dispenser. Keep the mixture in a cool, dark place. Use it as a normal shaving gel. Squeeze it into your hand and spread over your face and neck. If you have found this video useful, please let us know by hitting the like button.